Here's a popular model and year at Unique Specialty and Classics, 1964 Chevrolet Biscayne, two-door sedan or two-door post, if you will. As you can see, riding on American Racing, 5-spoke wheels, 327 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. So yeah, this is gonna be a fun one to drive. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper, headlight, surrounds, grille. Showing a little bit of age on that front bumper, but hey, this is one of those get in, drive it, have some fun. Take your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check the engine bay out, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. We take a look up and down the passenger side. Has had a repaint to white. Original fawn interior car. See, the seats have been redone. You have a cool stripe. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Dual exhaust. Take a look at the rear chrome. Bumper shows well in the back. And you can see the paint has a nice luster to it. Again, one to get in, drive, have some fun. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video. Let you hear it run, check out that engine bay. But first, let's take a peek up and down the driver's side here. Some nice bright work underneath the hood too with the engine. When we pop that, you'll be able to check that out. Been chrome nicely finished off well underneath the hood. All right, take a look at this interior. Of course, the two-door sedan. You have your post, hence the two-door post nickname. All right, cloth vinyl blend. Looks like it's pretty much free of rips, tears, holes. And there'll be close to 100 pictures of this car online too, so you'll be able to see it from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. Did play around a little bit earlier. Wipers do work. Radio works, and let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Hear the radio working there. Also, blower fan does work. Little aftermarket gauge cluster. We have oil pressure, voltage meter, and water temp. And of course, that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that water temp to be up. Also appears fuel gauge is working. There's also a manual choke underneath the dash here, but I've not had to use that. All right, make sure we're neutral. See the tachometer is also working here. All right, slip around to the back. So you can hear this baby run. A little rumble coming out of that 327. Nice throaty exhaust note. Slip up here, I'll pop the hood, we'll check out that engine bay, listen to it run, and wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, take a peek at the engine. So aluminum radiator. There's that chrome I was talking about, valve covers, alternator, air cleaner cover, polished intake. That's a Holly 4-barrel on it. Just nice, tidy, clean looking engine bay. Nicely done 327 again, paired up that 4-speed manual transmission. 1964 Chevrolet Biscayne two-door sedan or post. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.